Like many other large cities in the world, air pollution is a serious problem in Hong Kong. In order to improve the air quality, the Hong Kong government has taken many measures to reduce the emission of air pollutants. The waste gases from motor vehicles are one of the main sources of air pollution in Hong Kong. To reduce waste gases from motor vehicles, the Hong Kong government has started a program to encourage the owners of minibuses and taxis to replace their vehicles with LPG minibuses and taxis, which produce less air pollutants than diesel minibuses and taxis. Besides switching to environmentally cleaner vehicles, we can reduce the air pollutants emitted by diesel vehicles by installing catalytic converters. These catalytic converters can reduce the emission by about 25 to 35%. Emissions from power stations are another main source of air pollution in Hong Kong. These emissions contain sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, and suspended particulates. To reduce emissions from power stations, electricity companies have increased the use of natural gas in electricity generation. Electrostatic precipitators are also installed to remove the suspended particulates in the emissions. In addition to the measures taken by the government, we can help reduce air pollution by altering daily activities which create air pollution. For example, we can use public transport instead of private cars. We can also use means of transport that produce less air pollution, such as MTR, KCR, LRT, and tram. If you are a driver, you can help reduce air pollution by switching off the engine while waiting. This not only saves fuels, it also saves your money. Reducing the use of electricity is another way to reduce air pollution. If we use less electricity, less air pollutants will be produced by the power stations. Air conditioners consume a huge amount of energy. Therefore, we should reduce using them. If you really need to turn on the air conditioner, remember to set the temperature to a comfortable level of 25 degrees Celsius and not below that. There are many ways you can help reduce air pollution. Act now, and our city will become a more pleasant and healthy place for you to live.